In chapter 12, the last chapter of this level, 第12课，这个单元的最后一节，最后一节课 we're going to talk about having fun. Let's look at our new words. 第一，玩；二，聊天；三，一起。But the remember, because of the tone sanity rule, the E here will turn into a fourth tone. It goes into a fourth tone before all tones except second tone. So 一起, and that's a together adverb. All right. So let's take this one by one. 玩 is just a verb. It means to play. Like you can say we play. 我们玩。你喜欢和谁玩 right. With who do you play? Do you like to play? 我喜欢和我的妈妈玩，我喜欢和我的女儿玩，我喜欢和我的朋友玩。你不喜欢和谁玩啊？我不喜欢和王鹏玩。你喜欢在哪儿玩？我喜欢在图书馆玩。我喜欢在高小英的家玩 and so on. Another verb that we can talk about in terms of activities you can do together, especially if you're visiting a friend, is 聊天. You can also add a in here, that's very common. This is, again, the sound, so you say, in which makes it sound a little bit more cute or casual. 聊天, right, or 聊天, they both mean exactly the same. So I can say, for example, 他们一起聊天看电视. They together, and this is a word we're going to cover in a second. Let's actually get rid of this. 他们聊天看电视. They chat and watch TV. Now, one thing that you should be aware of is 聊天 is actually a verb object. So literally, like you're chatting about, I don't know, the weather. You're chatting about your day. That's what 聊天 literally means. So this is a verb object, meaning you cannot, and this is important to remember, you cannot follow a verb object with another object. So I cannot say A 聊天 B. That will not work. If you want to say I'm chatting with my friend, you have to use the preposition 和. Right? In this case, the structure would be A 和 B 聊天. And again, because 聊天 is already an object, 聊天 is a verb object, you can't follow it with anything else. That's just the end of kind of the clause of a sentence, right? A 和 B 聊天. So I can say, I and my friend chat. 我和我的朋友聊天. But again, this whole prepositional phrase, A 和 B, must come before the verb because that's the Chinese word order. You want to give the context of the action before you actually know what the action is. It's a contextual language. All right, so if I ask you, for example, 你喜欢和你的爸爸聊天吗? You would respond with the prepositional phrase before the verb. 我喜欢和我的爸爸聊天。你不喜欢和谁聊天？我不喜欢和我的妈妈聊天。Okay, and our last phrase, our last word is an adverb, 一起. 一起 is not a verb, it's an adverb, which, if you recall our Chinese word order, adverbs go before the verb to describe it. So 一起 goes before a verb, and it also goes after a prepositional phrase, right? It's subject plus time plus prepositional phrase. I'll write it out here. Subject plus time plus prepositional phrase plus adverb plus verb plus object. Right? So I could say, 我8点和我的妈妈一起聊天。 something like that. All right. I'm chatting together. 我们一起聊天。好，That is our lesson for today. 谢谢大家的收听。